The investigation on the viral fake medical bulletin of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is now underway. Aside from the uploader, those who shared the post in social media may possibly be charged as well. This according to the Philippine National Police Anti-Cybercrime Group, or PNP-ACG. Ryan Lesigas has the full report.
The Philippine National Police Anti-Cybercrime Group has formed a task group that will focus on the investigation into the source of the fake medical bulletin of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. that circulated on social media. According to PNP-ACG Director Police Brigadier General Wilson Asueta, their investigation into the matter is already underway. They have also allegedly identified several individuals who posted fake information regarding the President's condition.
Nagkandak tayo ng mga cyber patrolling at we will find out kasi yung pinag-usapan doon, yung fake documents. So kami naman ay more on online aspect ng investigation.
The PNP-ACG has also coordinated with the hospital where the President's medical condition was checked. Aside from the original uploader, those who shared the fake document may also face complaints.
Meron tayong dun sa article ng 154, yung sa unlawful publications and of course, yun ang fake news yun pertaining especially that will create chaos or harm the peace and order. So yun ang pwede natin ikaso doon. Then aside from that, kung may falsification of documents.
The PNP-ACG advised the public to be responsible in using social media.
So sa ating mga kababayan, maging responsible tayo. Huwag tayo mag-share o mag-post ng mga hindi natin siguradong impormasyon. So it will create confusion and of course, disorderly sa ating community. So let's always be responsible to have truthful informations that being posted and published.
Meanwhile, PNP Chief of Police General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. stressed that they understand the political situation and fully respect the freedom of expression of every individual. However, he said that the spread of fake documents targeting anyone is a clear violation of the law. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.